day, let's define what it means to actually do an operational excellence when it comes to running an apartment investment. Today, it's just to tighten your expenses, actually, most times, improve efficiency, maximizing income without heavy constructions or heavy bottlenecks that might hinder quality when it comes to serving your tenants or also your lease-ups. Why does this matter? Actually, is because especially for us investors that are busy professionals, this is where the real hands-off value is created by the team, the sponsor team, actually, the GP in charge of the investments, actually. I think of it like also to, like the other time I kind of like, used an analogy for us that would resonate with us, those of us in the medical line. Think of it like medicine. You don't always need surgery sometimes. Lifestyle adjustments and better care plan actually delivers best outcomes when it comes to some malaise, some situation in terms of health. What you sometimes need is not really to take on any medications, just to adjust the way you live and so that you can get a better outcome. The same thing with the apartment investments. Same thing sometimes when it comes to managing some of these properties, not necessarily upgrading, but also to making adjustment in the management when it comes to managing the asset by the sponsor team.